morning. Today we will work on our language skills with a fun activity I like to call My Pet Dog. You can use a picture of a dog or a real dog at home. We will practice pointing to the picture of a dog or a real dog and say the word dog. Dog, this is the dog. Now it's your turn. You try it. Bye bye.